Okay, hey family, real quick. The there's something I forgot to mention in my prophecies video. Um, what the Great Mother also informed me on is that coming around August, there's going to be a a great there's going to be another earthquake in um in San Francisco, and I just got information from my heart chakra that the Golden State Bridge it's going to collapse. Now, this was already prophesied before by my brother RFG. Um, so my feeling is that the great mother just wanted us to be reminded again. Okay, so I just made this really short video to inform you on that. Until then, uh, remember 3 stars in your heart: love, knowledge, wisdom. Love yourself, because if you don't love yourself, you can't love anybody else. All right, I'm out. Bye.